Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find the longest string in the list. Okay, so first I will take a variable list1 and I will take the input of list input dot split by a space. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in list1. Okay, and here I will take a variable max equal to length of zeroth index of a list 1 index 0. Okay, and inside this for loop I will compare this length with all the length of every I will compare this max with the length of every element. Okay, and in that if condition, if that condition is correct, then I will take another variable long string equal to I. Okay, if max is less than length of I, then we will say max sorry then we will say longest string is equal to I. Okay, so I will write here print longest string is comma longest string. Okay, so let's run the code. Let's take the input I love Python. Okay, so which string is maximum length? This. So this should be printed Python. Longest string is Python. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.